That time, if I place curse on you, you will not last 24 hours. Wallahi billahi bi-iznillah. You will not last 24 hours. If I, Mujahid Dokubo Asari, place a curse on you, as you have been placing curse on people, 24 hours you will not last. Because you are a fake and you are a liar. There's hardly any crisis in the north that is rooted in religion. So the Hausa people, farmers that are being killed in Sokoto and in Kebbi by the so-called bandits or whatever they are called, why are they killing them? Why are they killing them? And at the end of the day, Christianity will be seen in its darkest form. Because what you are accusing Muslims of, you are the one doing it. They instigate prosy wars all over the Muslim world. Their target is that they will destroy Islam. They've not been able to destroy Islam. Look at that liar, Dachomo, Ezekiel Dachomo. So if people are talking about lie, you stand up and lie. How many Muslims? I've been a Muslim for 38 years. I can beat my chest. I can beat my chest and say that Muslims are better in all ramifications. Continue pretending that the truth does not matter. Wa alaikum salam. But the truth will come to stare at you, whether you like it or not. And you think Donald Trump will come and kill us and it will end there. He will come here and support you to kill Muslims and it will end there, as you are supporting the genocide in Palestine. They will come here and kill us and it will just end. Did it end in Libya? Did it end in Lebanon? Did the killing end in Lebanon? You are praying for your fellow countrymen and women to be killed by outsiders because of your Islamophobia, your hate for Islam. When I see Yoruba Christians write in support of this thing, I ask myself, what do they expect the Yoruba Muslim who had been living cordially with their Christian brothers and sisters, as you are threatening them every day? As they are threatened, who is talking about Nigeria? Does Nigeria translate to being a Muslim? I am a Muslim. So how would you accommodate the Yoruba Muslims who had been more liberal than any set of Muslims? You are there, you are a Yoruba man, you are attacking them, you are abusing them, you are doing all sorts of things at them, you are angering them. You want to weaponize the Yoruba Muslims so that they will start having problem with you. What of the Edo Muslims who have been living side by side in their house, mother Christian, father Muslim, father Christian, mother Muslim, senior sister Christian, younger brother Muslim? They've been living together. You are writing. You are from Edo State. You are writing. You are inviting he who carries a ant-infected, termites-infected wood on his head. He go see what go happen to him. You are going to carry termite infected food on your head. You are a Neto Muslim. Bilikis, your sister. You are David. Your sister is Bilikis. The same father, the same mother. Your children go on holiday to her house. She does not make them Christian. Our children come to your house. And you are supporting this evil that some few people who whatever they want to gain are promoting. If there is any religion of violence, go and ask the people who started the First World War, the Second World War, the Vietnamese War. Go and ask those people who dropped the bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, whether they are Muslims. Who went and occupied Palestine, whether they are Muslims. Islam is a violent religion. Let us check the number of deaths that has occurred in the violence created by you people. This is what, Frank, this is this idiocy and stupidity that you people carry. Do I need approval from Northern Muslim? Who is a Northern Muslim? If a Northern Muslim says I'm fake, I also say it's fake. It's a fake Muslim. This is your problem. Do I care what a Northern Muslim think about me? Is it the one I'm going to stand before on the day of human Qiyamah, on the day of judgment? I don't criticize Muslims from where they come from. I don't criticize Muslims from where they come from. I criticize people based on the wrong they have done. Nobody will support the killing of his fellow human being. And like I said in my previous broadcast, look, there are two statements, I will add a third today, that no religion, no religious text you can find in any religious text. There are people, I just listened to a guy yesterday who read the Quran in one sitting for 18 hours. He's a content creator in America. He went and read the Quran for 18 hours. He took the English Quran and read it for 18 hours at a go. You don't know anything about the faith, you go and be talking. You spread hate where there is no hate. Which Ijaw Muslim has attacked you before? Which Yoruba Muslim has attacked you before? Which Igbo Muslim has attacked you? Which Ghanaian Muslim has attacked you before? Or a Benin Muslim? I stayed in Benin. Which Muslim in Benin had attacked you before? And then you keep on bringing this baseless argument, liars who want to benefit, crisis merchants, crisis entrepreneurs, violent entrepreneurs who come. It's an opportunity for them to now trade and become popular. He's shouting. You could place cost on people. That time, if I place cost on you, you will not last 24 hours. Wallahi billahi bi-iznillah, you will not last 24 hours. If I, Mujahid Dokubo Asari, place a curse on you, as you have been placing curse on people, 24 hours you will not last. Because you are a fake and you are a liar. There's hardly any crisis in the north that is rooted in religion. So the Hausa people, farmers that are being killed in Sokoto and in Kebbi by the so-called bandits or whatever they are called, why are they killing them? Why are they killing them? Yes, they are Muslims. Regrettably, every one of us says it. They claim to be Muslim. They claim to be Sani. They claim to be Idris. They claim to be this. They claim to be that. But are they real Muslim? The Quran is very clear that he who takes a life other than in the cause of justice is as if he has saved, he has killed the whole world. He will save a life. As if he has saved the whole world. That's what the Quran says. Show me another religious text that says so. Don't go and quote any other source. The Quran is there. Pick it up. Pick it up. Read it. Don't be lazy. If you like, close your mind. Read the Quran to cover. I have read the Bible cover to cover 16 times. I have read parts pieces of Bhagavad Gita because the stories are boring and not interesting. I have read so many Jewish literatures. Those are the worst that anybody can read. The most genocidal book on the surface of the earth. So now, everywhere, people are on national television, bashing Muslim, talking all sorts of things. Talking all sorts of lies. I am a testimony of a Muslim. I have the power. I have the power as a human being to oppose anybody. But I chose to use that power to fight the very bandits. You people are so cowardly and afraid of and making it a religious issue. I'm a Muslim. For the past 4 years plus, I've been fighting these bandits. For the past 4 years plus, I've been fighting these bandits. And many of their most notorious commanders had fallen by the hands of my men. Many had been captured. You are cowardly, hiding under your bed. Wherever these evil men are, I had volunteered to go there. Today, people are making it business. When they were calling people to come and fight, to people to volunteer to come over, they were not there because we are fighting. They have turned it to business. They want to have business transaction with it. We've been fighting this element. It is sad that people's lives are being played with. Who the hell are you to play with the lives of your fellow human beings and tell people it's Christian, it's Muslim? And tell people it's Christian, it's Muslim. Some years ago, my wife, an Ijaw woman from late now, from Odi, was in a taxi. There was crisis in the north. One man, a Akwa man, in Port Harcourt, just saw and said, she said, give me my change. And she entered the taxi. Say, why I go give you your change? You, because we not kill you. In her home place, married to a son of the land. Look, let me tell you, they can't do nothing. Yes, I said so. Chibuzo. So many. You want me to show you pictures?